Welcome back to our normal revision where we make KCSE easier for students. Now, Mathematics Paper 1 Alternative A, the year 2023, it is Paper 1 revision. We are going to continue with where we stopped from last time. So for question number 7, you are told to simplify and hence factorize the expression. Simplify and factorize. These are the main things. Simplify and factorize. Basically, this is a topic in Form 2 where you are introduced in algebraic expressions. So we are going to try to factor out. These are just into a basic introduction of quadratics. Here I have 5x minus 4y and 4x plus 5y minus 9xy for 3 marks. So to start with, I'm going to work out this one first in the two brackets because they are multiplication. And if I just write them down here, you know very well that 5x minus 4y into 4x plus 5y. Yes, I'm going to start with that. So in quadratic expressions, you are told to take the first number, you multiply by everything in this bracket. Also the second number, you multiply by everything in the bracket. That is by opening the bracket. I'm going to write, I take 5x, I multiply by everything on the second bracket, 4x plus 5y. Then negative, don't forget the negative sign. It's a quadratic expression. So if I open the bracket, let me just add on this one here. This one is the expression here. So 5 times 4 here is 20. X times x, it is x squared, plus 5 times 5, this is 25. Xy, it is good to follow the alphabet, minus, here I have 16xy, then a negative and a positive gives me a negative, that is 20y squared, because y times y, it is y squared. Then I add on the final expression there. So here I'm going to collect the like terms. I realize that 25xy minus 16xy, there I get 9y. If I again subtract 9xy, because they are the same, like this one, and this one are like terms, so you realize that it's going to be 0, so I cancel because that is 0. I'm now going to remain with 20x squared minus 20y squared. Yeah, if I was told to simplify, I would leave my answer like that. However, an additional instruction is to factorize, means I'm supposed to put it in form of its own expression. So there's a common value here, which is 20. So 20 goes out, then x squared minus y squared. Now look at what is in the bracket. This one, it is simply following the third rule of quadratics expression, where you are told if different numbers are squared and the sign here is a subtraction, therefore it is not going to become the same numbers or the same letters, but the only thing that changes is the sign in both the two expressions. What do I mean by that? Just an example here, that a squared minus b squared, this one will give me a plus b. I write the same thing, then also another thing on the same. The difference between this is only the sign. So if I factorize out this one, I'm likely to get this answer. So if I'm going to simplify this, I'm going to have 20, then x plus y, and x minus y. So I've just factorized out this one in form of the third law of quadratic. So this is how you are supposed to leave your answer, as simplified and factorized. Thank you very much.